Start an online coaching business using your talent and expertise. Learning something new is fun. It can also be challenging. Many times we are required to learn something new with your job, and there are times when you are very interested in something and want to learn more about it. That's why a coaching business offer a great way to make some niche profit. Nice profit. There is so much information about there, so it seems very easy to just do some research and find what is your need to know. How easy it to apply your new fund knowledge in real life situation, and how much you can trust your information out there. It is not really that simple. Learning something and doing something are two different things. Learning something and putting into the practice take time, patience, and a good coach. This is a where you come in hand. Think of your current needs, and as you are thinking about, is there something within your niche that you people need or want help you? Maybe you cannot think of something within your niche, so be low or 10 coaching business example. The purpose is to give your coach idea within different niche, then go back and think of way you can create a coaching business within your one niche. If you still cannot think of anything within your niche, then it can be a totally separately business from what you have right now. Read each one and think about it. Then read it again, thinking of way you can apply that knowledge to your one business. Type of coaching business. 10. Then coaching business idea or computer, IT, finance or career, presenting, grading, school, high school and college, cooking, instrument, home in, improvement and sales. Each one is different type of business, and you may or may not need a special experience to start. You won't need experience to start the business either, but one thing to note is must let potential client to know your simple coaching and not giving professional advice. If you are a professional, that is great, and you will be step ahead of other coaches out there. But non-nethless people will seek a non-professional who charge less to give supplement knowledge to what they already know. Another thing is do not limit your thought or belief to what is right. You are encouraging to take the type of coaching business idea and come up with a creative way to start your own business with your skill and expertise. Computer and IT. Computer are designed to help you to become more productive. But there are times when they can slow you sit down. If you are great with computer, you can start a coaching business to help those PKs issue that get in the way of getting your daily task done. Let me walk through some idea to get you started with this type of business. If someone has a minor issue had he she cannot afford to pay a professional, you can charge a lower rate and coach them through this issue for home. Maybe it is not a computer issue that you can help with. There are many new computer programmings out there who may need a little coaching to help them apply their learned in school to their career. Financial. Money management can be very throw off for many people. It is very important to have your finance in order so you are prepared for new now you or future. You know the saying save your penny for a rain day. You literally need to save your money so that it work for you not against you. So many people borrow more on the they make in one year. The best way to help anyone, they help them before they get into finance buying. You are there to help people make sound finance decisions and coaching will greatly motivate people to take action and be wish their money. It is heartbreaking to see people when they lost so many things they worked so hard to get. Finance coaching may be the most sought after the necessary business today. When people get into the desperate situation, they look for someone to help them out. The reason for creating this problem are all different, but in this day and age, it is hard to survive on the little income most people make. There are how every way to manage your money well in light of the income you have and be in good finance standing. So, as a finance coach, you will be giving sound advice and helping people learn how money works. You may also help them grow their wealthy and use career creating people for your resources such as Warren Buffett, Napoleon Hills, and Deborah Remonster, name a few. These people and more helped many people make their money work for them. Career coaching. Your career is most important decision you will need to make in life. It will give you income and ultimately help you to decide your best path through life. It is hard for some people to decide which career path will ultimately allow them to live with life they choose. You might believe your dream and become a doctor or a nurse when you were 5 years old is the best career choice. When you reach adulthood, however, your way to thinking may changing significantly. In reality, the best way to choose a career that is the most fitting to your is one of reflect that lifestyle you want. The test you can take the studio performance get guide give you the advice on the career but may not be definite answer. So if you have a lot of knowledge about career and which one's idea for a certain responsibility, then you can make the nice business reflecting what you know about it client. Sometimes it help you for studies psychology because much of how much makes someone if the ideal career has a lot to do with his or her physics, psyches. Do remember this business in this article or once you will not the need previous experience to start, but does require some ability to work well with others. You need to be good with people, understand their concern, and attract people who are willing to take advice. They should be informed that the final outcome with the coaching season is a reflect seasons of the choices you are only there to help them think with the different perspective. Parenting. Having children is blessing. Knowing effective way to parent your children can seem obvious, obscure, even little difficult at times. You will also notice each child is different. The best advice of someone to start a printing coaching career is to have some background working the children. It is even a good idea to have a degree in child psychology but not required. Whichever coaching business you decide to start is designed to give people and advice and supplement knowledge. Look for people who are willing to take advice as sometimes giving presenting advice can turn people off. When you get a changing look of so Khalid Nani 1999 and learn from it. Their professional have helped many families get their children on the right track behaviors. If you note a lot of his to do with present changing the way that they believe they should discipline their children. Success only comes from taking the advice the name give and working their children in a consent consistent manner. So if you feel you have what is task and love working with children and are good helping others, some see thinking different you, then this can be very rewarding business choice. Remember that one need people who are willing to help other in it. Gardening, no matter what season it is, people love it gardening. Some have indoor plant and other plant during the spring and summer month outside. Others have greenhouse where they can plant any time of the years. No matter how you set up your garden, I always hear people say they do not have green thumb and their plants will not last. It is those people who many times want to learn to garden but feel they do not have what is it takes. This is where is gardening coach come in handy. There are many facts and different crucial elements that go into gardening to have the most success with it. Each plant is not created equally and will require different type of attention and nutrition. If you are great at gardening and have a much success with it, then you might consider coaching other throughout it. It is always best to have a coaching of some sort help you another person. Hiring the advice and seeing it put into action are very different. There is also thermal knowledge that is easier to show than you just know the definition. School, high school and college. Learning is very rewarding but can be challenging at times. It does not matter who you are, your upbringing, or how well you absorb information. As a child, many times you can absorb information like a sponge. However, when you reach adulthood, learning is not the same. There are many research out there to help you learn something, but there is no such thing as too much help. With so many learning style and information changing so rapidly, there is a need for people to coach others through their learning experience. Now there will most likely be some subject you excel at, the other you are not so great at. So think about what you're good at and work with people with that subject. Cooking. When you open your Facebook or Twitter profile, you will notice there are a lot of recipe and video of people making the recipe. They look so good and so you just want to try it. For some reason, you quickly think, I want to be able to make it as good as the did in the video. But you know that simple is not too true. You probably will not be making a career, but out out of a few people who just have any interesting in making a simple recipe, but rather someone who has a deeper in interested in it. So how will you know if they do or not? You can look at the comment on the video to get idea and how to market this type of coaching business, but may never know who is really interesting until they respond to your ads. To advise your cook coaching business, make your one video of a recipe and put a link into the description letting people know you have coaching season for people who want to become cheap or improve their cooking skill. Instrument. Music is often Music is often considered an universal language. It reaches down in your soul and touched many generations. When you like something you are listening to, you will put your one meaning to it, no matter what language you speak. Music will be interpreted in your one language even when you do understanding the word and their meaning. People want to carry on legacy that has been passed down the generation, or they want to make a crowd of people have a great time. No matter what are they soon learning instrument is and will be in high demand for a long time. If you know an instrument, have a passion or helping others learn to play, you are one of the fast track is growing lucrative business, earning many client or instrument are easy to learn without being face to face with instructions. Pretty much every instrument on the plant, and that is due to video and web camera. Home improvement. Your house is your home. You want to it to be more and just a building you get it and sleep in. It is part of your well-being, keeping your home in working order and having it look presentable in something well all desire. Sometimes we do not know where to start and begin to look for some good advice. If you have the expertise in home improvement, then why not create a coaching program for it? For example, say you want to lay new tile in your work kitchen. It it may seem like braining, but there are actually some improving thing to keep in mind. So you can prepare yourself before you start. The measurement of cross along with how to prepare the subfloor and so on all your things a good coach can help with. Selling is a part of life. Whether there you realize it is it or not. When you go to the job interview, you are selling your expertise and skill to the potential employer. People thinking or sales in a negative connotation. But here is a change to show people that is not to so bad. False people, you are already in the sales professional know that we need to find way to improve. This is best sales coaching will be great profit maker for you. More and more people are starting their own business and guess what? Sales are going to and always will be big part of it. How else will you get your client? Selling is a must be unlike that old day. Strategic you to sell have changing dramatical for the this action section. I will talk to about different sales style. First, selling is not something that can be forced upon others. Whatever way to word think no, most likely will be no. Have you respect that no, realize you do not want to business with someone who give you negative response. What are some selling style? Provocative, consultative, aggressive and passive and some of the style you may notice. For your business, you may want to take one style and build it all around that. A major people will probably want to force on the passive way of selling. In my life, I have noticed that there are more passive people and introvert than there are impulsive people extrovert. Now I have want to break the style down for you, give you a better understanding of each. This is hopes that you choose to be sales coach. You may be able to understanding more than one style, which in the end will be more profit. Let's go backward from the order. I listed style in scenes. I know there are many more passive seller than impressive. Passive. Passive selling pretty effective. You do not want to be labeled a push sales person and so take his approach. As a coach, you will teach other how to get the sales without selling to someone. Passive, passive selling can be achieved in a more leads back getting setting where people are already aware that your product or service exists. This makes things easier for you in the long run. Passive selling may requiring aggressive selling at the start. This is until people are aware for your brand and company. When people become loyal customer, then they will be looking out for new product and service and special offer. Aggressive. Aggressive is when you seek after people to tell them you have a product and convince them to buy it. As I said above, when your business is new, this may be approach you need to start with. As more people are aware of your brand, you can transition into the passive approach. Consultative. This is actually what coaching is about. As a, as a coach, you are not just helping people understand their skill or business better, but rather acting as a type of consulting. You are expert in your niche, so you can rest assured that there will be people who trust you for your expertise. Proactive. Proactive selling allow you to cause the sale to happen. You are not just standing to the side, the responding to the sales one transaction acquired. The sales may never happened if you were not proactive in it. When you are coaching people with the style, you need to emphasize the important being proactive. You are proactive with your sales, whether you are passive or aggressive in sales. How to implement your coaching business? Once you have read about the decide which coaching business you feel fit you best, it is time to implement it. All of those coaching business can be the same way. First, a good plan will need to be set the place. Follow that plan exactly how it because consistency is important. With your plan, you should including a mind map each component of your business. Search Google for some simple mind maps. Here you can sell the different component and can add more take away some necessary. Having a illustration right before you will help gather all the idea possible to set your business up and run it. Now take each section of the mind map at a time and figure out an order to put them in. There is no wrong or right order here, but your instinct may tell you do certain thing before others. Follow that instance and be refer to your resource. This means require more search to see if there is any logic order to implement your business in. Now take one piece at a time and execute it. Then observe what happened. Practice which work best will require less attention. Now take those pieces which did not deliver an ideal outcome. Force on them and try to work out a way to improve it. Once it improves, keep executing it. Now repeat this one and for the life of business. Not that thing will change as your business grow. What work at one time may not work in future. So always be open to create a new plan for you business. Remember to also be consistency. Resource and example coaching business. Resources are very important. They also help you credibility. For example, if you want to increase your sales and good resource for you is a person such as Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is a renowned leadership expert and help people plan their business. As a life coach himself, Tony has helped tons of people achieve goals they can only dream of. Part of your career as a coach in your ability to speak in front of people. Again, Tony Robbins is a great example to use. You can find out more about him by doing a quick Google search. Besides, people like to tell you what to research can you trust. If you do some more research and find the peer-reviewed article, They will help to the demonstrably. You are not familiar with the paper reboot article is. They are writing by expertise in a particular field in the reboot by others expertise in that field. After it has been carefully reviewed, then it is published. You can find peer reviewed article journals and other texts of the like at your library through on the library website. Please be advised that you should get as many resources as possible and refer back to them as needed. Marketing your coaching business. Now that you have decided on your coaching business and have some important plan and setup in place, you will need to know how to market your idea and realize which way will be most effective. Now two business are alike, so there is no right way to market that will work every time. Even though even though your people out there say their method work, proceed with caution. It is the best to do some research and test your one method out. Remember that you can research the internet but get as many sources as possible. Many people will create a site or blog and say whatever they want. So when you get a good number of sites, compare the site and blog with the credible information you found. Take the marketing idea that make the most sense and use them to guide you. Marketing should also be treated similar to selling and keep in mind what I talked about in that section. As there are different selling style, there are different subcategories of marketing your coaching business. For those people who you want to do business with, this email categories are something you should really pay attention to. There are three categories which I learned that take some unknown out the sales and changing the way you thinking about it from now on. One is relationship marketing, two is social marketing, and three is content marketing. I choose their three style because they are extremely important is in a coaching business. There are other style out there in the world, but the main force is getting some idea across so you have foundation to base thing of. Now let's talk about their similar yet important sales categories. Relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is a fairly new concept as it stands, but in reality, it is something most people learn when they get a job. What you learn is that you should treat the customer so they feel as if they were welcome in the store or company. You want them to feel at home. This build a relationship with the very people you want to do business with. Any other way to build a relationship with people is to remember things about them. When you see them face to face, try and remember their big name. When they give your three information, send out birthday, holiday or anniversary, create which is build a strong relationship. This is one marketing category you want to be focused on your then other the more personable you can be, better your business will run. Those who and expertise in the relationship marketing and can really in importance of this concept can expect to have an easier time growing their coaching business. Social marketing. The category has been round, but there are some important ground rules to adhere to here too. Do to beat research on the different ways should market through social media. It is more than it is putting an affiliate like on a Facebook wall or one you Twitter feed. You have to engage with the audience every way you can and not seem like you are just trying to get them to click and link and buy an affiliate offers. Once you understand the ground rules, The sky is limit with social marketing. You can join group and go on message board. But when the one you want to build rapport with a member first, there are some people like the warrior form, FEMO, that is a design the internet market. You will still need to build relationship with members before you dive right in and post your ads. Content marketing. Content in marketing has been around since with the writing words. People have been finding way to communicate with other people since language began. It is something that will be soon died out. So this should be another of your focus when it comes to marketing, making your business fun and engaging. Being an enthusiastic person greatly increase your ability to attract more people to your coaching business. Attracting people is way more than just speaking an enthusiastic way to and sounding exciting. You have to be authentic as well because people will be able to tell if you're not. If you're just doing through the motion, you will not seem really or that you are really interested in what you're doing. The best way to be successful with this part is to really have a interest and passion for what you will be doing. You also want to attract the right people to be your business, trying to get as many people as you can to jump on board and get coaching from you seem like the ideal thing. But if those people seem like they are on board, then drop off the face of the plant. It will just be wasted effort in the end. One thing I wanted about early one is be careful of the resource you see. How everyone think you can do as an exercise to help your business to be more fun and engaging is to read blog. Since many blogs are not expected to be personalized, professional and people may not be writing about the subject in the most professional manner, you can always get some good idea from it. When reading it blog, thinking about what making reading it fun and engaging for you. Apply that you to your business build it will be easier to get motivated. Motivation is the key to a successful coaching career. Find out the people want to and need. How do you know what people and need? It is great open ends equation start your what with. You will never know right off the bat. And it can be hard to pinpoint with people actually want. If you are a social person, it may be easy for you to approach someone and have nice conversation and from their learn what they want and need. This is considered a small talk to is great way to find information you were looking for. On nature ground, neutral ground, people are more like to talk about superficial thing. They don't know your personal level, so it is easy to simple talk about it, which is happening at given improvement moment. This is true advantage, and if you are not to most social person or say or even little self conscious, don't be. The person being you should not worry about people think of you at the moment. They do not know you don't you and if your conversation was not greatest they probably will not remember that negative thing but it and that is okay. Consider it practice and keep going out in the world and try again. Once you build of confidence, you will begin to see change is how people react to you. Take note of how things have changed and realize those changes. The more you connect with people and learn their needs, the better things will get for you. Plan each session before you start. Hopefully, you have heard of the saying, failing to the plan is planning to fail. Write with one down and put into review either on your bathroom mirror and bathroom or front door or anywhere where you will see it. This will act as a reminder that you need to make sure you're planning for what you will be doing from day to day. Keep a schedule. Have, have a schedule is so important. You want to know when you hold coaching sessions and the no activity you will need to do accomplish certain goals. Many people get stuck that because structure is not a huge part of our daily life. Get something into practice before you begin your business and make a point to follow it daily. This will be big step toward getting into the habit of being organized and prepared. Organization is important. Being organized is staying that way is very important. In fact, this this is one of the most important attribute to your business and will save your firm huge headaches later. It goes along the planning as well. You plan need to be organized and having an organized plan will help you here. I have some tips and advice for being and staying organized and so I want you to read once. They go back and read it again. The second time you read it, you will think to yourself how you will accomplish this task. In the end, and I hope you will be better organized and see success down the road as the result. Be prepared to answer questions. You want people to ask a question that you how know they are engaged in what you are presenting to them. You will never be able to have all the information you need set up in place as to avoid an uncertain. In fact, it is actually good to have uncertain because as you are able to answer the question, you will also learn something new. Coaching isn't about knowing everything but knowing enough to help people who want it. If you do not know answer to something, do not just tell them anything. If you do, you will be in a world of hurt in the future. How to get your client engaged? How do you get client engaged? Remember, yearly. I said you want to attract right type of people. So once you have the right people, then it will be that much easier for you. One thing you ask yourself is get your engaged. I know something that get me engaged is simply eye contact and using my name when someone speak to me. Acknowledge it as the many people as you can. I have bad memory or I am not good with names or the most common exercise people make. The problem is that neither excuse the accurate. You just did not learn how to remember one name. Learning and remembering go hand in hand. Find out different method that people use to help them remember things and practice it. The best way is to try and continue to try. Create a calendar so people can be your schedule. My favorite thing is to have calendar with all my event right in. There are digital calendar you can share with people and even free software you can find from your website hosting to meet your need your for this. Experience tell me to write everything down. Everything. If you have working experience meanings you have held a job of some sort. You will realize that people will tell you something one time then you later on. What they told you will be irrelevant event at your job. You should write everything down not just to cover you and but so you can refer back to it to help you remember that was said. With the calendar software of your choice, you can have your schedule viewed to your client and to whomever choose. If you have worker who helping you with your business, it is a great way for them to know what is going on. Conclusion. Coaching is all around you. It comes in subtle form and your time coaching is brilliant obvious. Obviously, coaching is associated with sports and the certain other life activity greatly benefit in the form coaching. Take the different type of coaching business in this article as something to compare to different life situation where coaching can be beneficial. Remember, the most important part in starting your one coaching business is to think about and decide what is the that motivate you most. From three, you can look at the example above and use them as a guide as you begin to develop a plan for your business. As the plan develops, certain strategy can be executed, giving you a jump start for your long and successful path. Success is only measured by the result from the type of effort you put into it. It will take time and effort to start the business and keep it running. There are no easy answer and learning from others will not prevent you from making your one mistake. It is important to make your one mistake so you can learn from them and grow strong.